No, no, what? What did you? I didn't know.
See me, Cecilia, the Jaco school. Eh? Juma me do no. Eh? Senor Noah. So when na me tisa wakaya some kete say pe juma me do no.
Ah, to be so cheme Cecilia tina me kasa sara na say dey. Cecilia no semi na say me say no. Sister, there be Cecilia no yan why o semi na me say no. Let me take it out.
Today I enjoyed the French class.
Hey, really?
Hey. Je suis Cecilia. Je m'appelle Cecilia. Bonjour, au revoir. Comment tu t'appelles? Oh, the class was so exciting.
That's your best subject, right? Eh? That's your best subject, right?
Yes, my best subject is French. I want to go to Paris and Abidjan one day, and I will speak French.
You will definitely go if you work it.
Yes, I'm working hard. I'm trying.
Cecilia, I want to tell you something.
Tell me now.
There's this guy called Kofi in our class.
There's this guy called Kofi. Kofi is in our class.
Okay.
Ah, you know the fair guy?
Yes. Oh, you know him. Oh. He said he loves you.
And I love him too. Jesus loves me, so I love everybody.
Yes.
And I love you.
I love you too.
So if Kobe loves me, I love him too. I love everybody in the class.
That's not what I'm saying.
But what?
He loves you. He wants to be in a relationship with you. He wants to take you out on a date.
You should have stopped him right there when he told you that you should come and tell me he loves me. You should have stopped him. You know I'm not interested. You know, my best dream is to become a doctor.
I know.
So I want to do everything possible to complete my education. I am not interested in men. I'm sorry.
See you in class tomorrow.
I feel say my okay. Me brofo, if it's about English, I can speak English. Hey, why should I still go to school?
Chachi, any English I will can. Obi wo ha otimi speak English no to say British bonu. But mass no nkontabuo no eno na e ka asem no. Kasa de obi atimi sua na onsa no de na obetwero no. Eno na ka asem se si ai bibi betimi aba na bi efie kura e obi buawo. Na we business bi enkontabuo no a sabi obi mfa wo se kan nya nanka no. Eno no hia eti wadaroma mesre wasre obi o se school no mahu se wakobi me hwese de o si tutu ano no brofo no a we perfect na bomoden na o de bra adult education na be sua enkonta no so mass no ka ho wate.
In fact, what me convince me? Who the kind of Thomas Sumpa? Yeah, but
oh, beba. No, me da se pass what you must.
Cecilia.
Sisi adan we are doctor Cecilia to say we are doctor no be say me mpom to say
Sisi Asamoah shame so acha ba na de meka
he there be a post school Sisi twen me meka asem acha ohumi a onka hwe e de asem what is it
Sisi watch me papa school me honu oba watch me na every day na mpese me ka but ana e batanedie ese me kachiro sisi me pel pa me pel fucking
peer pressure sisi me pel peer pressure wonim se e pa wase me sisi ano wo maame na wo papa te o mbedi ho ya wo papa o mo rebe ho se o mo nam enfifre mu so mo tua wo school fees bre school besua de no e ma na abese o mo pe me pa cho bebre me botai a me di ko school ne se mesua de na metwa na matoa so ma benya djuma papa ye na menya be ma papa ware no mama se mbetwe mpena wo krache me nenya wo first and last a wo di be di mechi abepe me okay
sisi tie me school mo e wo pe ni obi amani wo so ati ase me ma me asema me kan me ni problem sikasem ni ade me pese me take you bibia
all mistakes are a school phobia obetimi ehia wo mate bi no watete aye basa enso during school days na ni parents woska wo maami woska na omde hwe wa ba yiri ho asua de no chese wo maami no papa woska ntu be pemma enya na ntena fie ni amfa sika ni nware wo you feel say parents woska your future is guaranteed you lion me say ben pel krache don't you dare e me see me pebio ni sa me gu ani mo ase school wo
me ma beki ayi bi so on femere sika bi so on femere de ma
ma beki sika se on fama me se me fa nto de emre
oh last time the teachers for ne na why din na me de man say on fama na facet
games ne ye ne ye gate fee minim se mechi ni bia me fie ni binti no man prepare me ho se mekobi adam be se uska na beki so betimi abegina me manim se be ma bia man sika so opemi on fama me krachi minji usika o mani mradio mini bi enso me hia be mesika to survive
sina sawoje
me ma jiska free bekwe oni kona ko bisa no mimi ji usika excuse me I don't need your money
Cecilia beki am first kana ma okay
Subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel.